How far are they?
Massive difference, but completely different.
You have been now. For them to carry us somewhere.
We try to set up what I would call cooperative here. Before the fence, before the perimeter, yes. Before the perimeter. Because of no staff.
So, as part of the tours I embarked on when I came on board, I think we've been able to see exactly how blessed the state is, and sadly though, how much waste we have made out of the efforts of government. Because government has provided all of this infrastructure. It was therefore the responsibility of the communities, the people, to take ownership of these places and protect them. But sadly, the way they are, we have to look for funds again to revive most of this infrastructure, most of these industries. Okay. The good news, we have the will to do that, and we'll look at options available to be able to revive most of these facilities. That way, we can get the River State people, gainfully employed and also to benefit from government's goodwill. We've just seen what we have here now, and I believe in any of those places we've been to, they require skills. They require vocational skills, artisans, to do all of the jobs. And if we are building an industry, if we are building a state, these are the people that you require. Rather than go out to source for people to come and, take up the little opportunities that we have. I think if we give the skills, the appropriate skills to our young men and women, I'm sure we'll be able to get a lot of people off the streets. And then the restiveness that we have will also be curtailed. In all of it, I think it's government's desire, to provide the best for its citizens and indigents. So that's what we are bent on doing. And nobody is working there, meaning the community is at a loss. Okay, we've been to other facilities as well, these other farms. They are all lying idle. And where we went this afternoon, I think we're told they have about 6,000 citizens or indigents of River State that are working there. And the community also has taken ownership by giving them the necessary support. And I think that's what we're looking forward to. If you want to talk about corporate social responsibility, I think that alone has taken care of most of what they have. And the people have also indicated how happy they are. That's what we're looking forward to. Let me thank her for the passion she has for this project. I believe we'll go and look at the books again and see where we have to come in and see that this facility is brought back to what it was meant to be.
So we will go on a quick tour. Yes, about
Oh gosh.
After waiting all the and from here also we dispatch. These are the tankers. Tankers are here to receive all the CPU of everybody dispatch. So I'm going to remove this foot. Then now this part of the foot now you call mesocarp. We press it to collect the juice. Okay.
This seedling's age is already 10 months. 10 months meaning to say ready to transplanting for plantations. Yes. And now our available seedlings here, we have 320,000 seedlings, which is enough for 2,000 hectares. Okay. So we will keep this one for 12 months maximum in pre-nursery. So pre-nursery then 420,000 seedlings, which is enough for 3,500 hectares. Thinking about expansions, so we are ready to grow completely.
I say it makes sense like this. He didn't have motor this now.
So now, if it's big now, they'll go transplant them. The man say, as if they like this now, they will keep them for 1 year. For here, and go they here 1 year. 1 year.
What they call them Zelbi.
This one, I'm shaking. Leke the big like this.
Now leke in call and shake it. Now shake who they call them. You know, for your language, you know. Now shake what they call them. Also language, you call them.
Went aware of all that was stolen from it.
We will send everything. We will send everything to now.
Part of the wellness school where we have the bench warmer area and attached to the
Every vacant
fabrication.
spot you see here is a machine that was taken away.
The table vices were carted away. The only ones that are table rooms are these heavy materials, the bench press, the static drilling machine, the plate bending machine, the horizontal bandsaw. They couldn't go those
Because they're too heavy. These are now redundant because they were built in such a way that without the key, you can't use them. First State will commit to their youth. We will commit to redeveloping this vocational academy back to where it should be. So we're going to walk you through.
Open up.
Sad stories of the machine tools with the 100 of the industry equipped from here to there. Each welding then was 15 million naira. Today we priced it and it was 25 million. There were 10 of them. They were all looted. They all have to be replaced, including the table work. And we have not asked government to provide money for the equipment. What we have said is, if we fund the equipment, will government fund already? Everything in here was stolen. This was electrical. Augustine is from River State and probably one of the most sought after vocational instructors in all of Africa because he holds the highest German certification, the highest AWS certification, the highest USA certification, and also from Dubai. He's from River State. He was part of this when the Germans started, and he's now part of Del York to carry on that legacy of vocation. Near Slaughter, which is like a huge university campus, and get River State to be designated, at least for the continent of Africa, as the vocational blue collar, extremely heavy. And so they could not be taken out, so they're still intact. Our plan is to run 3 classes a day for every lecture, so that we capture those in the morning, we capture those who can come in the afternoon, and we capture those who can come after work in the evening. So we intend in every class to be running about 60 students a day, and there are 5 streams: masonry. If